Hi guys, hope you guys are having a good day. It's Nirmal from Nandanam Exotics, and today we'll be looking at a beautiful orchid species from Kerala and parts of Kerala. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So friends, today our video is centered over this particular beautiful orchid. It's a species, and as I said before, so hope you guys like it. It's Aerides ringens or rigid Aerides. Orchids have become an inevitable part of any garden these days, and the focus has always been on hybrids, but it's high time that we start growing some beautiful species as well. So let's get into the video. Friends, before we get into the details of the video, do subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification button so that you'll be notified of my videos. Thanks again. So we all are very familiar with hybrid, glorified and extremely beautiful showy orchids that are available in nurseries and commercial complex, but we often overlook the beauty and intricacies of our own native varieties. So today I thought of showcasing one native orchid that is endemic to parts of India, Sri Lanka and Andaman Islands. This is Aerides ringens, or commonly called as rigid Aerides. The reason this Aerides is called rigid Aerides because it has a very strong stem, short stem that carries leathery leaves and flower spikes and is very firm to the touch. This orchid blooms during the month of June-July, which is late summer and the onset of monsoon. They are a warm growing orchid that are found grown on tree trunks in moist evergreen forest and tropical savannas. They are very versatile and adaptable when it comes to light conditions. They can take very bright light to even full sun if the situation demands it. They cannot take winter temperatures below 16 to 18 degrees Celsius at night, and they always require a minimum day temperature of 20 to 27 degrees for optimum growth and performance. Like any other orchids, be careful when watering them during the evening hours, because a moist plant in the cool nights could easily cause fungal diseases. So always try to water your plant during early morning so that they can dry up by the time it gets night. This orchid hails from a very tropical area of the world, so they always require very high humidity for proper growth. At least 70% relative humidity should be maintained in the vicinity where this plant is grown. Native orchids are generally very carefree and easy to grow because they are already adapted to the place that you live in and would naturally grow and flower as per their biological clock. As a grower, your part is just to keep them in the right place and enjoy the beautiful blooms. So friends, I hope you guys liked the video today. It was a beautiful species orchid, and for such videos please stay tuned to my channel. Until the next time, it's me Nirmal signing off.